Syrian First Lady Asma al-Assad made a rare appearance this week at a graduation ceremony at Damascus University. On this video shared by the Syrian Presidential Office, the wife of President Bashar al-Assad told the more than 24 graduates on Wednesday to have faith in their country. The First Lady, once hailed as the hope for Syrian democracy in the West and dubbed a rose in the desert, is now being criticized for turning a cold shoulder to her countrymen dying in a bloody civil war and the 5 million Syrian refugees. US Secretary of State John Kerry arrived in Geneva on Friday to meet with his Russian counterpart Sergey Lavrov to once again try and revive Syrian peace talks. Almost 500,000 Syrians have died in the 5-year civil war, which has grown more complicated over the years with multiple groups and fronts and the participation of foreign powers. The talks aim at trying to negotiate a truce in Syria, enable humanitarian aid deliveries and restart peace talks. The US says it will refuse any deal that doesn't end the siege of Aleppo, Syria's largest city before the war. Russia has aided the regime by bombing Aleppo and enforcing a siege in the rebel-held eastern side of the city, where some 300,000 people are estimated to be trapped with little food and water.